Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King. Thank you so much for joining me today. So I am making a mermaid themed backdrop. Okay, so this is a triple layer design. For my base layer, I have the mermaid taffeta with the sequin scales on it. Then for my center layer, I have the lavender panels, just two. And then for my front, I am just loading a variety of textures. I have the playlet sequin, I have voile, I have two-way stretch. So the taffeta is from CV Linens along with the playlet sequin. The voile, I got some from Amazon, and then some came in my mystery box from the Posh Academy. And then for the lavender, I got that from Amazon. So I always start measuring on the outside and then I work my way inside. A lot of people try to find the middle. You don't necessarily have to find the middle. If you do each side and you alternate between the sides, the center is going to fall into place. So I just made a pole cover and I'm raising it up. So for your voile, you want to keep it nice and straight. It is a stiff blend, so that's what I'm doing there. I'm just keeping it nice and straight. So that's my voile from the Posh Academy. Now I'm pleating my voile from Amazon. As you can see, it's a little bit different in color. I'm moving to my stretch. Notice how I started off. You want to start with a V. So once you get that V going in the center, you can begin to create your swag. So notice how with the lavender, it has some curve. And then as I move over to each panel, I'm giving it even more of a drop. And that's how you create your swag. I plan on creating a course on how to do the swag. It's going to be very, very detailed. I'm going to just take you in. It's going to be slow paced and you'll be able to watch it over and over again. Okay, so here I'm putting the playlet sequin in the front. I just felt like it was too much texture. So you see me pleating my lavender behind. I only put that lavender there just to give that turquoise a little push forward, like it lifts it up and causes it not really to blend with that base, even though the base is shiny. But I'm not gonna keep that playlet sequin in the front because it's just too much texture. Okay, so I'm showing you how I pin because sometimes you can see the pole. Also here, I'm showing you how once you gather the fabric, you got to take those pipe cleaners out because I'm using a very, very small starfish shape piece. And I really need like all the pipe cleaners to be gone. I did leave one. Now, I just want to make sure you all know, yes, I could have used fishing line, but I gathered so much fabric in the middle, it wouldn't have worked. I didn't feel like it would be safe to just use fishing line. So I probably should have used a zip tie because I only left like one pipe cleaner on there. And that one pipe cleaner, if you really came over there and examined it, you could see it. So when you have a lot of fabric gathered together, you want to make sure you use something that's very strong. I should have used a zip tie to hold it in place. Please share your thoughts below. I would love to hear from you. I thank you so much for joining me today. Until I see you next time. Bye.